Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Moto E32s smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by Motorola. So now quickly unbox it. So here in top we get the phone, you can see, with the pre-applied back case, you can see. Okay, we come to the phone later. If we see inside it, so here we get some reading manuals, and here we get the SIM ejector pin over there. And guys, this is the USB type C to USB 2.0 cable we get in the box. And this is the 10 watt. This is the 10 watt fast charger. This is the 10 watt charger, sorry. But the phone support 15 watt device charging, which is a really good thing. It has a 15 watt device charging capability, which is a really good thing. But you get the 10 watt charger in the box. So that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here the phone itself. So now remove its plastic cover, and now simply remove its back cover. You can see here's this is the transparent back cover we get in the box. You can see. So guys, here's the phone itself. It is in a slate gray color. Misty silver color is also available. So you can see the design. If we talk about the device design, it has water repellent design. It has ultra slim and stylish design, striking visual pattern. You can see it has a striking visual patterns. And if we talk about its weight, it is 185 gram, and the thickness of this phone is 8.5 mm. So you can see the ultra slim phone with striking designs. You can see striking visual designs you get in the phone. You can see. Okay, if we talk about its a physical overview, so in top we get the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and in bottom we get the main microphone USB Type-C port, and main speaker is available over there. And on this side we get the side mounted fingerprint and volume up and down a key, and on this side we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject the SIM tray. So this is a really good thing. It has triple card slot. You can insert two nano SIM and one micro SD card, which is a really good thing. Okay. So guys, you can see, and on bottom here you can see we get the triple camera setup over there. You can see this is the 16 megapixel main camera over there, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel over there is also available, and this is the LED flash. You can see AI triple camera, and here you can get the branding of Moto, and here is the branding of Motorola. And on front it has 6.56 inches fast 90 Hz ultra smooth display. It has IPS LCD HD plus display, and here we get the 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture front camera. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So as you can see, I have set the device. Okay, now screen is you can see it is working. So this is the main screen of Moto E32s smartphone. If we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top, we get the notification center. Helpful quick settings are also available there. Guys, it has a bloatware free experience near stock Android you get in Motorola phones. And if we talk about the screen, it has 90 Hz ultra smooth display. So quickly check this out. So as you can see, yep, displays are running really smooth. You can see it's running fast. You can see by this method you can also take the screenshot of recent tasks. As you can see, it is running really smooth. Yep, so guys, the display is running really smooth. It has a 90 Hz IPS LCD HD plus display, which is running really smooth. Okay, after it, if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with Moto E32s smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. After it, if we talk about its side-mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. I put finger and you can see it unlock the phone. You can see the unlock sound. You can see. Yep, guys, side-mounted fingerprint is really fast and responsive. You can see I put finger and it quickly unlock the phone like this. And if we talk about the face unlock performance, I look at the phone and you can see it unlock itself. Try again, I look and it unlock itself. You can see. So guys, you can see both are really fast and responsive. You can see I'm not seeing, I see, and you can see it unlock the phone. I put the finger and it unlocked the device. So guys, this is the unboxing of a Moto E32s smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.